Charge your laptop and your mobile device with this portable charger. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Jackery SuperCharge 20,000 portable charger. This is capable of charging multiple devices and a laptop with a USB-C connection type. The company sent this out for me to review. You can pick this up online for $80 and I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look at the charger. The charger was packed well in this nice black box. Inside the box, it came with some marketing inserts, the user guide, and a carrying case. It also has the cable for USB and USB-C for connecting to laptops such as a MacBook. This end here just pops off and you can see the USB-C connector. Here's some info online on just some samples for what it can charge. Again, this is a 19,200 milliamp battery pack. It can charge an iPhone X approximately 5.2 charges, a MacBook 1.2 charges, Nintendo Switch 3 charges, and an iPad mini 2.5 charges, just to get an idea. You can charge multiple devices at the same time using the USB-C for a laptop and the USB for smartphones. The 45-watt USB-C power delivery is capable of charging a MacBook at full speed. It has an LCD display for remaining power percentage and a fast charge feature that will power the devices 4 times faster than a normal charger. You can also purchase an optional power adapter to charge the battery pack faster. The charger has some weight to it. It feels very solid and sturdy. It has the Jackery branding on the front and it has a smooth casing all around. Here on the top you have the power button, the display for battery percentage, USB-C power delivery, input-output, and the USB output. It comes in at about less than 7 inches in length and just over 3 inches in width, and has a thickness of less than 1 inch. As mentioned earlier, you can charge multiple devices at the same time. You can charge a laptop that uses a USB-C connection and mobile devices using the USB. And here you see the USB connector. I have a laptop here just for visual representation. Unfortunately, I don't have one that uses the USB-C connection. Charging is easy like any portable charger. Here I have an iPhone and it's just a matter of plugging it in. The Jackery SuperCharge 20,000 portable charger. This is a 19,200 milliamp charger that packs a lot of power to give your devices the necessary charge to keep going. This will be great for people on the go and travelers that need to power up their laptops, or just have the convenience of having a power source and not worry about outlets. It allows multiple connections so your other mobile devices can get charged as well. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.